YouTube, back at you with this video. This is a two-part series, like a two-part video. In this video, we just doing protection. Wow, but whatever. They're finally here. They're very inexpensive. Nothing too fancy for protection, I think. Plus, it's for the bike, not me. So, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna not change out. We're gonna install some fork sliders and swing arm sliders. The exhaust is gonna protect the swing arm on the right side, but the left side, there's nothing there to protect it. So I have ordered some fork sliders. So let's take a look at them real quick. All right, so let you guys know, socket size is a 13. Hold on, let me see if I can get it to come in clear. Hold on, there it is. Socket size is a 13. Let's do the front first. The front is easier, quicker to do. Let me show you. All right, so this one's off. So that's obviously gonna go to the outside. You're gonna slide this out. Don't lose that washer on the inside. So keep the washer inside of here so it doesn't strip. You're just gonna basically, you're gonna slide this through. So the one that has these little indentations, they go in the front for this. And this is gonna keep them in the very center. So they both have one. So if you look, they both go on the front like that. Oh, I gotta put the bike down because it doesn't fit like this. Which is fine, I don't care, I'll put the bike down. Let me put it down real quick and I'll continue to install. All right, so now that we have it on the ground, I like to test fit, so I'm gonna test to see if it fits. And it goes all the way to the other side, and it does, which is important. So now that I know they both go, whoa, 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 that's a lot. That's gonna stick out. Is that for the front or the rear? Hold on, hold on, hold on. So the front is shorter, hold on. Unless that screw is gonna bottom out. Let me try to install it to see how it's supposed to look. But this is how it's supposed to look right here, like that. On both sides. As you can see, it's sticking out so much that I don't see how that's gonna work. Let's just install it. All right, so got it installed. Please, 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 whatever you do, don't forget your blue Loctite. They fit perfect. They're on us nice and snug. I didn't think it was gonna fit that good. But tell me what you think. I think they look good like this. Yeah, they look nice. And they're Evotechs, so. All right, so now to the rear. So remember a few videos back when I told you guys I had to make this short and not make it go all the way through? This is what I was referring to. So this has to go straight through the middle, and with it being in the middle like that, it could block the rod. So I'm gonna have to figure out another way to get this to run through to the other side. So let me see if it'll fit, and if it doesn't, then I'll have to come up with another way. I mean, I can put this on the inside and then that on the outside. But let me do some tinkering here. Give me a sec. All right, after some finagling, I got this pin here as close to this inside nut as I can possibly get it because of the angle. But I don't mind it. Look, it fits pretty flush. Now, if you guys know a way, somebody even said put a zip tie, but I don't know how that's gonna hold. Plastic can melt. But whatever. So it's a little bit off like that. It'll look way better if it was flush though. But it's a little bit off. I mean this is the exhaust side, so it's not killing me, but it could be better. Let me see if I can bang it down some more. All right, I figured it out. So grab me one of these washers, my tool chest, and then you got, so basically it's like this. So you got your nut, washer, the outer plastic, the inner aluminum, and then this guy, so the washer. The washer is what makes the difference. So if you line it up now, all right, so now I'm using my working hand. Now it's sitting, hold on. Okay, it's flush. Okay. Can't see it. Okay, let me put it on so you can see what I mean, but I'm gonna put the washer in first. See, it's at the bottom. I need two hands to put it in the middle and then push this up against it. Once I push it up against it, it locks it in place, and then this part, this aluminum part is flush with this part. So let me just install it and I'll show you what I mean. For this, nothing too crazy. Some simple blue Loctite. I just put a dab, nothing too much there, and then I put some on the other side. I'm just showing you that I put blue Loctite on the nut. So, and you don't have to put red because it's not that extreme. So let me just lock this up real quick. What matters I can't show you, but all right, so this is what it looks like on the bike. And if you look, it pretty much protects a good portion of this side of the bike, other than the foot pegs. I don't think anything will go wrong with that. And then this one is like this. So it was a little bit off at the top, but for the most part, it's on there just right. And it says Evotech. Once I get the exhaust system, I'll have to come up with a different idea. If you guys know something, please put it in the comments below, and I'll take a look into it, man, because I don't like it being crooked like that. You know, it looks cheap. So